Today, guys, we're gonna be finding Pogo 19. Fuck.
Hey, Ruby.
Yay!
Yo, bro. Who wants to read I Survived Epstein's Island?
What? Is that a movie?
Survived books. Yeah, I think it's...
Wait, is that one of the I Survived books?
Wait. Oh, man. Oh, yes, I did it perfectly. I'm coming.
Did I just join?
Oh my gosh, is that the Pogo Monster? I literally see it, bro. I see it.
The Pogo Monster.
You're black. You're black. You're black. Yo, you. We're doing something.
Hello?
We're pranking a kid.
Hello?
I gotta tell you how to be the Pogo.
You might get ate by a shark.
Yeah, you get eaten by a shark in that map, but it's kind of scary.
Okay, well.
Guys, what's happening to my avatar? Alright, bro, be quiet. Don't blow my cover.
Bet. Bet I won't.
follow me.
Wait. Hello? He said his avatar was changing.
Oh yeah, he's right there.
What? Oh.
Yes. I want
That's what you get for, that's what you get for touching
I want the
Pogo
good
stick.
stuff, Dad.
Oh, nah. Where are you going?
Alright, anyways.
I'm just shooting him. He's behind you, sir.
Sir, he is behind you, and he's about to kill you. Oh, he's about to kill me. Help me!
Where's chicken tenders?
Chicken tender!
Hello?
Chicken tenders.
I was literally singing
I
that.
don't see.
Yo, what's up?
Don't me.
What's up?
Are you scared? Are you scared?
Chicken tenders,
Who's that?
chicken tenders.
No, he's after me. Why me?
Yo,
No.
Siege.
I mean, no.
Chicken banana.
Wait, what'd you say to
Doesn't
me
like
again?
that song.
Green, come here. No,
Yo,
you.
Wait, you be for sacrifice.
Pogo 19.
Green.
Pogo 19.
Yo, chicken tender.
He's
What'd you
dead.
say?
I go to heaven. He's going to heaven.
You're green.
Make it start.
No.
Bro, I'm right here. Behind you.
Well, I didn't know we
What
could
just
kill
happened
Pogo
to
19.
We just killed him.
I
I need
I didn't know you could kill Pogo 19. That's crazy.
You made my rage go past its limit.
I have red watch. Everyone protect me now.
Let's go.
Who?
Yeah,
I
Pogo
don't
19.
feel
Where
like
are you?
I have
You
red
made my
watch.
rage go past its limit.
Where are you? Are you in heaven right now?
But anyways,
Yeah, I think he's in heaven.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure
In
he is.
heaven.
Well, I'm also another YouTuber.
A heaven ghost.
Join the video.
yeah, you could be in the collab too.
I'm also a YouTuber. Can I join?
Ooh, I'm a pogo stick, guys.
No, listen,
By the way,
listen
they were
to
all
my
fake.
monster creaking. Listen to my monster creaking. It was all fake, by the way.
I thought we were actually. Guys,
buddy.
where's
Why?
the real monster?
Why you got pranked?
What?
You got pranked.
Yeah, we're just
It was all
pranking
fake.
you. Anyways,
Yeah.
want something?
What?
But could be
Usually ghosts aren't real in Animal Company. I think they all patched most of them.
Then what the f*** was that weird yellow freaking ghost I saw one time that was levitating 5 gorillas above the ground and didn't even touch anything. By the way, guys, if you want to do more
Right
ghost
here.
hunting,
Why? It was just a prank video.
Yeah, pretty
So anyways, take this fire
yeah, guys,
to school.
no,
It's
everybody in this town, everybody in this town, be quiet. I need to tell y'all something. If you want to be in the next ghost troll, raise your hand. But you need to be really good. You need to be really good about
Okay,
it. I already know green is in it. Okay, black, I already know you were in it. And white, and, okay, now everybody join the code DK slash. That's the
Wait,
code.
can I become friends with you?
Wait,
Can I
what's
be
the
friends
code?
with you?
DK slash? Well, yeah, DK slash. I'll add everybody.
I had to
Hey guys, join me.
Okay.
I just woke up from a dream.
Stage. Alright,
Seriously,
you
my
sit on stage
friend?
couch. Sit on stage couch. Sit on stage couch. Sit on stage couch and you're getting banned. I'm a member of this so I can kick and ban.
Who's the owner? Can I be?
No, sorry, you can't be a member. So what are we doing? What are we doing? We're doing Ghost Troll. So we're making up a new ghost. It's called bro. What do you here? Give us a second. What do you want a new ghost name to be?
Alright. So you know how we got the new like digging site thing? What
Yeah.
about we create a laser ghost? Like you hear the mining laser?
And we can use this code because we can use this code for an example because this code has the name of this code has D in it for digging. So yeah,
Or we could call it Dig King.
yeah, Dig King. All right, everybody, listen to the director on stage. He's gonna tell you what to do. I'm gonna get my ghost avatar on.
Alright, so everyone, we're gonna get like a kind of ghost thing. It's gonna be, we're gonna get someone to ask if they wanna defeat if they wanna try and dig out the entire dig site thing. And once we when we're doing that,
multiple
we're
people do it? Can multiple people
yeah,
do it?
everyone's doing it except the person that's pretending to be the ghost. So the ghost
Yeah.
we'll be using like mining lasers, and
Yeah,
we'll like
so
stop at like that little like couch rest area, and